Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So turns out I've had time to pack this one up today. It just arrived today and I really wanted to use it later, so I've gone ahead and packed it up, and I'm going to show you how I've got it packed up. But I just thought I would show you a quick on the body in case anyone's wondering how big it is. So I am 5'4", so that's kind of how it hangs if you're just carrying it on one shoulder, and that's how it looks kind of on the back. And it is very comfortable. I'm actually quite surprised at how comfortable it actually is. So there it is on the body, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what I have in here. So in the top cell phone pocket, I don't have anything in there, but I would put my phone in there if I wasn't filming with it. It has the memory foam on the back, and this is obviously what makes it so comfortable. It felt very comfortable wearing it. The side bottle pocket here, I have a 17-ounce Swell Sip by Swell bottle in there that fits really easily. And I actually did buy this to kind of match my bag, I will admit. So yeah, so it fits perfectly into that side pocket. The front mummy pocket here, this does fit a lot of stuff. I did try my Be Rich wallet in there. I could get it in there, but it would be too hard to get in and out, especially if you're in a rush trying to pay for something and then you're fiddling about trying to get your purse out. So I would not keep it in there. But as you can see, I've got 3 small set pieces in here. So over in the corner here, I just had some mints. And then in the front part here, I have the Shoreline small set piece, and that just has mummy stuff in it, hand cream, hair ties, and other stuff. And then there's 2 mesh pockets here. Over in this one right here, I've got the charger stuff for my phone and the wires. And then over here in this one, this is the wallflower. Sorry, that's Black Lightning. This is wallflower. In here, I just have a couple of these little bubble things. We're actually going to one of my kids' soccer games tonight, so I just have this packed up just for pretty much one of my kids, just because I'll be taking another bag as well, because we've got to take a cooler bag with us tonight too. So that's why there's no kids drinks water bottles in here, because we're taking the freezies tonight, so I don't need to overly pack. So going into the main part of the bag, I love how the zippers only come to here, which means everything's not going to fall out of your bag like it does with the BRB. So there is the front zipper pocket, and in here all I have is a coin purse in Sakura Swirl with coins in, and I think that looks really pretty with this print as well. So that's in that front pocket, and this is how I have it packed. And as you can see, there's still lots of room in here. I haven't overpacked it, I've just put in there what I need. So there'd be plenty of room for other stuff. So I do have a large set piece in here, in the Rosy Posy, and as I mentioned in my unboxing video, I was definitely going to be using Rosy Posy with this because I think they look fabulous together. So right here, this is where I decided to put my Be Rich, and as you can see, it looks really great with this print. I do have a large set piece, and in here is a change clothes, wet bag, some wet ones and some trash sacks. And if you were, I'm not taking anyone with diapers today, so, but if you were, you'd definitely have room to fit diapers in there, and they would fit easily into this. I think you could use this bag for, probably for all day out. If you only had 1 or 2 children and you pack lightly, I think, honestly, you could use this bag for a full day out. Over here I have the medium set piece in Shoreline, and this just has a few snacks in it. There is this mesh pocket at the back, which I really do like, so you could fit a change pad. I've seen a memory foam change pad fit into this back pocket, but in here I just have a sunscreen. I have a Y pouch with wipes, and then I do have some tissues and some nose wipes in there. And then down at the bottom there, I just have my med kit in the whimsical watercolor, sorry. And again, that one looks pretty good with this bag as well. So that's how I'm going to be using this bag later on tonight, and there's tons of room in this bag. I'm actually surprised at how much you can fit in here, so I think I'm going to really enjoy using this one. And as I said, it's so comfortable to carry. I was actually quite surprised because I don't like carrying the mini bee. I find it too small, so I would never use the mini bee kind of for me. I only really use them for my kids, but this one, yeah, my kids are not having this one. This one I really like. I can see me using this one a lot. So anyway, if you have any other questions, put them below, and thanks for watching.